Hello guys, we are in the zoo of Gorakhpur. This is the aquarium and types of fishes. It's a goldfish, milky corsh. This is looking very beautiful area and this is awesome place. And there are my friends and families. This is silver shark, very deadly mammal. Very cool place is this. Do you like it? No? Please visit here for awesome wave looking. Now beach में all record कर रहा हूँ. Very nice. Very cool fishes. The white fish looking awesome. Tiger shark. I think this is the coolest place of this city. Wow, see this, it's looking very beautiful. I think this name is Oscar, river of South America. 20 years is 45 centimeter size. The Oscar is a species of fish from the cichlid family. Oscar is very deadly and aggressive predator and also efficient carnivores. It does not live with other fishes. Looks like deadly. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye.